Hi guys and welcome back. This is a reading for birth number 6, which means if you're born on the 6th, 15th or 24th of any month, this is the reading for you. We are going to start the reading by pulling out an oracle card, but if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you are following me on Instagram for more astrological insights, a lot of tricks, a lot of techniques, that you can learn and actually start predicting from your own charts. So from the Moonology deck, the first card I have for you is Conclusions Are Within Reach. So something is finally going to be, reach an ending. You're going to get an ending of some kind, some kind of thing that has been, pending from quite a couple of months is finally going to reach its conclusion. Conclusion to me also talks about, some sort of satisfaction is on the way. Something that's going to, finally put your soul at peace, and, not keep searching around or wandering around is going to happen. From Whispers of Lord Ganesha, the card I have for you is number 18, Openness. So, conclusions are within reach, and at times, what happens is the kind of conclusions we want don't really happen, which is why the universe is asking you to keep an open mind and be open to whatever the universe has to offer. um, I think one of the things that I would actually like to suggest you, if you guys are not walking out under the moonlight, that is something you need to do. You need to tap into the energy of the moon, to feel a little balanced. From the tarot, the theme of the month that I have for you is the Queen of Pentacles card. So Queen of Pentacles is somebody, who's very stable, a little materialistic, but she knows what she wants, and she is able to kind of, put in the right sort of energy to, get what she wants, and that is the energy for you. So if you see a fancy girl, maybe from Devil Wear Prada, the boss, that's the kind of feeling that I have for Queen of Pentacles. Except especially in terms of talking, she's not like that, but especially in terms of dressing and all, this woman is going to be like that. The next card I have for you is the Four of Pentacles. So Four of Pentacles, talks about stability. So if you are in a job, you are feeling pretty stable. If you are in a relationship, there is stability, but at the same time, with the stability, what is going on is that you are saving yourself from, being open and exploring change and exploring, what other things the universe can offer you. And when that happens, in a relationship, you start turning more cautious about your partner, what your partner is up to. So you start turning sort of like a stalkerish vibe, if you are in a relationship. But at work, it could also mean that you start holding on to stuff, and you don't really want to share your knowledge with a lot of people. So I think that's something you kind of have to pay attention to. And also, both the two cards that have shown up are from are the Earth cards. So something related to finances could also be the theme this month. And then we have the Fool card. So Fool card talks about being open to whatever life has stored for you, which is we got the card of openness, and things are reaching conclusion. So it seems like the energy of the month is following towards that whatever you were expecting may not happen for quite a bunch of you people, which is why it's asking you to keep yourself open. Don't hold on to whatever you have. Just open yourself to the possible adventures that the life can offer you. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Wands. Whenever it talks about adventure, especially coming with the Fool card, I think about doing things that you've never done before, trying sports that you've never done before. I don't know if if it's possible where you guys are living, considering the COVID situation, but a lot of you people are going to be, there are chances that you might travel to a new place. You might do something different that you've never done before. And then I have the Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups talks about feeling confident, because all this is going to happen, right? When you take this leap of faith and you try something new, you're going to be full of confidence. But the only thing that I advise my clients during personal reading when this card shows up is to not be very egoistic. You have to keep yourself open to whatever there is in life, and not be very egoistic. Just because you are better at something doesn't mean that other people cannot be good at it. So that is something you have to remember. The next card I have for you is the Judgment card, which talks about that, whatever you do, if you become egoistic here and, you do not treat people with equality, well, you are going to be judged for it. And when the judgment is passed, it may or may not be in your favor. So make sure you pay attention to that fact, and, you do not uh, come across as Scrooge. You do not come across as somebody who's very arrogant and haughty. The next card I have for you is the Moon. So Moon talks about, something happening. There's a possibility of something happening near a new moon or full moon next month. So make sure, your energies are balanced. You are at a place where you are able to understand what's going on, and moon is going to give you a little dip in your emotion. So overall, there's going to be some kind of dip. The thing is, in your reading, moon is here, moon is here, moon is here. So moon is going to play a very important role. If any of you guys suffer from depression, or you have mood swings, you're fickle minded, make sure that you are taking walks in the moon at night to maintain the energy that you have from the moon. Also make sure you drink a lot of water, because the element represented by moon is water, it's emotions. The next card I have for you is the Hermit. See, remember I said there's going to be depression. I can feel some sort of stagnation, some kind of depression, like some kind of energy pull that's going to happen. And the Hermit card has shown up, because Hermit card is about isolation, some kind of isolation. It might not really happen, but your own brain starts thinking that people are not being nice to you, and you kind of um, wall yourself up against all the people around you. So make sure you never reach this stage, and you are able to manage it out with by getting enough water inside, and making sure that you also get enough sunlight, so the elements in your body are balanced. Let me know if this reading resonates. I can literally feel my voice go down because of the kind of energy I'm getting from this reading. Let me know if it resonates, and I'll see you guys next month.